In this video, I will teach you how to use the normal distribution table. So we'll have a question here which will enable us see how we can pick out digits from the normal distribution table. Solution. So we have some questions here. How is this table used? Solution. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. The first on our list is the probability of z is less than 0.13. How can we find this from the table? Of course, this is equal to our normal curve 0.13. But how can it be determined from the table? Listen, it is 0.1. You look for 0.1 under 0.00. So this is 0.1. Now under 0.00, because we have three numbers here. We have 0.1 under 0.03. 0.1 under 0.03. So this will now become the value. So our probability for this will be 0.5517. So this is how we can compute that. The second one, we have our number 2. The probability of z is greater than 1.12. The meaning of this is 1 minus our normal curve, then 1.12. Of course, we put our 1 minus. Now, how do we find 1.12? 1.12, we have 1.1. So you look for where is 1.1. This is 1.1. This is 1.1. Now, you will now look for 0.02. 1.1 under 0.02. So 1.1 under 0.02. 1.1 under 0.02. This is it. 1.1 under 0.02. So we have 0.8686. Now, what becomes our answer? Our answer for this question will now be 1 minus 0.8686. 1 minus 0.0. 1 minus 0.8686. 1 minus 0.8686. So we have this to be equal to 0.1314. So this is how all of these values can be computed. Now we have another one, which is our probability, which lies between an interval of negative 1.10 and 0.43. So how do we determine that, or this, from the table? How do we determine this? So we'll have to clean this part of the board to do that. So for more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. So this is how these values can be computed, or this is how the normal distribution table is being used. Number 3, let's rewrite it. Negative 1.10 is less than z is less than 0.43. So we can find the value of what we have here. Of course, what we have here is equal to, the first thing to do is to determine what is the probability of z is less than 0.43. The probability of z is less than 0.43 is just our normal curve, then 0.43. So we'll have to look for this from our table. We'll have 0.4 under 0.03. 0.4 under 0.03. 0.4 under 0.03. So this is how we determine that. 0.4 under 0.03. So we get 0.6664. So this is 0.6664. Now we also have z is greater than this because of the negative sign. We have the probability of z, we can rewrite this to be greater than 1.10, which is 1 minus our normal curve, negative 1.10. So this negative sign will not have any effect as we are looking for this value. So how do we look for this value? We have 1.1 under 0.00. That is how it is being looked for. 1.1. This is 1.1 under 0.00. This is 0.00. This is how the table is. So this becomes the number that intersects it. So we have 0.8643. That is for this part, which is equal to 1 minus 0.8643. So we have 0.1357. Now, we'll now have to write our probability very well. We are given the probability of negative 1.10 is less than z is less than 0.43. This thing is equal to our normal curve z2 minus our curve z1. So what is z2 here? Z2 is this value. What did we get for this value? We got 0.6664 minus what did we get for z1? Z1 is this value. We got 0.1357, which is equal to 0.6664 minus 0.1357, which is 0.5307. So this becomes our answer to the given question. This is simply how to use the standard normal table to compute probabilities for the normal distribution. So for more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel to be able to note how to use the normal table.